This is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. Burst of lake effect snow expected this evening. A burst of moderate to heavy lake effect snow showers is likely this evening through the first half of tonight. Heavier snow showers can reduce visibility to as low as 1/4 of a mile and contain brief snow rates in excess of 1 inch per hour. With temperatures dropping into the tens, snow will easily be able to stick to roads and make travel slick. 1 to 3 inches of snow can be expected through midnight. Motorists should be prepared for changeable visibility and road conditions if traveling through the first half of tonight. Sudden changes in visibility and snow-covered, icy roads may lead to accidents.